Hello everyone, welcome to AA Lavender. We have early nights tonight because we are going to Wilson Promontory tomorrow. I have a visitor from Hong Kong, so we gonna tour them over there and hopefully they enjoy for 5 hours driving. We're gonna meet Ronsi because they do camping with her children, and hopefully we have fun and hope no traffic and enjoy the beautiful view while we are driving there. And yes. It look like a Jurassic Park, and a lots of wildlife here. Sometimes, you know, they're just crossing on the road. It's like on the road sign, and it's like this place is a virgin place, you know. It's a lot of native plants, native trees, and it's no one untouched by, you know, human. It's so amazing. But at the moment, it's so busy in the area because of the Holy Week. Everyone is going out and going away. Had a picnic. Sometimes they have a picnic here. This area is a picnic area, and then they can walk to the other side, and in the other side of this mountain is beach, and they have a public toilet. They have a table so you can eat and sit down and eat, so the kids can play and walk around in the area, and you're not allowed to leave your rubbish. You have to bring your rubbish. And then we keep driving because we don't see Ronsi yet because they went to Squeaky Beach. So we keep driving through there, and we saw a lot of spectacular view, and like, yeah, you know, it's hard to explain how beautiful the view is. And you know, I never seen this kind of view. It's very beautiful, and a lot of people coming here for long weekend, a lot of camping area. And this area, no residential area in here or farm. It's just only for tourists to visit. And this is big national park, and you keep driving and driving, and it's like there is, I don't know if they have the end road. It's really nice, really really nice to visit, very relaxing to drive. And you know, this is my first time to come here, so I didn't know the area yet. We just follow the GPS, and it's like amazing. It's, and a lot of greens, very it's like, you know, stress relief, the area. It. This is our part of our journey. We stop on the road. And we eat lunch. Welcome to AA Lavender. We stop on the road, giving our lunch in the road. Everyone is stopping here for lunch. See? There. Ngayong araw is good fun. With mukha kami kawawa. So ito yung na-prepare ko ngayong araw kasi pumunta kami sa West Promontory beach. Napakalayo. I think 2 hours drive. Pahinga muna kami. Yung bisita ko galing ng Hong Kong, nabuburyong na. Meron kaming mga drama. Mula pa kagabi ang drama. Hanggang ngayon drama pa rin. Ayan. Ayan na yan. Diba guys, ang ganda. May mga hinihintay-hintay pa sila dyan, no? Wala na sila maparkingan. Driving to Squeaky Beach now. We are nearly there. And sobrang puno ng tao. We cannot get in there. We cannot look. We cannot find a parking. And Ronzi is coming back because got nowhere to park. The parking is too small. And it's so much people in the area. It's so beautiful. The beach is full of people. We're looking for the beach and we walk. Look at that. Lakad kami. Too far. Huh? It looks like in the Philippines. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Aroy, kung alam ko lang ganito pala tayo maglalakad. Run! Kung alam ko lang ganito tayo maglalakad. Napakalayo. Iyan may daan? We're walking. I look for a beach. Ang layo naman. Layo ng lalakarin namin, guys. Nandun na sila kasi na Ronzi. Ang layo na nila. Pero maganda dito. Nandun na sila, oh.
can carry this one. Oh, I carry that one. Give me that one. Runa is upset. They fighting since this morning.
Why?
Because Patrick, they don't eat lunch yet.
So who wanted to come here?
Runa and Patrick. What's that one? Dessert. Dessert. I can hear the one.
Another track here. Put a car park up there.
Huh? But it's not open. The door is open there. The door is open. No, like to come in this one, access.
No, they should have two trucks here. Car park at the bridge.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Tasmania, Perth, Darwin. Oh my God, it's beautiful here. Paano lang, wala tayong signal. Wala. There is a food here.
Didn't bring it all.
Ha?
I'll touch it.
May tinapay dyan, Ron. Ah. Ay. You have to sit.
So we are in the beach now, and it's snowing again. Some few people with their kids will walk very far, and
Nice na one.
but it's very nice, really nice, quiet, relaxing. So we walk, we bring some food, and like that's the one we didn't walk because it's too far away. Just go and see.
It's like scary here. si Ronsi.
Ha? Balik tayo dito ba? Tapos, ano? Pag tayo, ang ganda doon sa pinuntahan namin din. Ang, alam mo yung sun? Napakaputi. As in, first time na nakita ng ganun kaputi na sun.
Oh?
Oh? Grabe
Isa na kayong dalawa.
Hindi ba yung ano? Sa atin na rin yung
Sa Adelaide.
Ah.
Bisita yan ni Runa. Iniwan sa akin. Ang ano si Runa.
Ah? Ah, sa labo.
Pwede sa tayo. Vlog pa yan. Yeah, yeah.
Maganda dito kasi mahamalakad.
Marami ka pang mapuntahan siguro dito, no?
Ang dami, Lin.
Malapit lang.
Malapit na naman sa inyo to. Sa amin mang malayo. Kasi diba? Sabi nga ni Patrick, sabi ko kasi hindi. Kasi naghihintay kami sa inyo so hindi kami makapunta ng lugar-lugar.
Ah.
Kasi hinintay ka namin. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, balik tayo dito. Pag ano, pag next time tapos punta tayo sa mga lugar.
Thailand maganda rin. Marami pa ang lugar dito maganda rin.
Ang maganda dito, uy, dito sa island, maganda. Diba naka... Island.
Ayun, dalawa.
Saan kayo kumain?
Sa taas. Kaya nga sinabi yan, nag-comment kanina, pinakain ko talaga yun siya. May susit. Ano ba pagkain mo doon? Kain
Susit.
mo.
May susit ito.
Markat.
Hindi ako susit doon.
Ang dali pa naman yan magtampo.
Tapos may bread doon.